Welcome to English Verbo, where English becomes easy and fun. Let's learn together, step by step.
Hello, how are you today?
I'm feeling great today. My name is Mia. I'm Ryan. Nice meeting you. Where are you from? I'm from Canada. Hichun on the scene. I live in California. That sounds amazing.
Welcome to English Verbo.
I really love nature. It looks beautiful here.
I study English at college.
I work at a bookstore.
What time do you start work?
Usually around 9 a.m.
I meet many people every day. That sounds interesting. Reading helps me relax.
I always drink coffee in the morning.
That's cool. Of course, you can join us. My little dog loves people. He looks adorable.
Bring water and comfortable shoes.
Okay, I will. He enjoys running in the park. Maybe we can walk after practice. Pizza is my favorite food.
Mine, too.
I like mushrooms on pizza. Saturday afternoon is perfect for soccer. We should eat together sometime. I'll bring my dog with me. Awesome idea. I'll send you the address tonight.
I need more practice before tomorrow.
I can cook pasta really well.
That sounds delicious. I enjoy reading books in my free time. That is a great hobby. I like playing sports after work. That sounds healthy. How often do you play soccer? Every weekend. Why? I usually play with my friends. That must be fun. I like playing sports after work. That sounds healthy.
Bring water and a positive attitude. Perfect, I can do that. I enjoy meeting new people. That's a wonderful quality.
I love spending time outdoors. Nature is refreshing. Learning new things is exciting. I completely agree.
Practice helps us improve.
The sunset looks beautiful today. It really does. Walking here makes me feel relaxed. It's a peaceful place. This market is always busy. I love the energy here.
I enjoy spending time in quiet places.
Me too, it feels relaxing. Ha! Spring is my favorite season. The flowers make it special.